catch and grab. That's pretty cool. What you have to do is you have to stack these blocks, and if you get to the top, you get to play, and it's play till you win too. So like, it's a for sure prize if you get to the top. It's basically like a rigged game of stacker. Wait, what? Oh, that's weird. Okay, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. This is weird. Oh shoot. Oh, I won. I just got it. I won. That was the weirdest game. I don't even know what the heck I was doing. Oh, I see. Like, oh, that's awesome. Now I get... The game is pretty hard. So I think, I don't know if... let's see, what should we go? Let's go for this Star Trek bear. Look at this, it has 4 prongs. Oh. I think it lets you have another try. Alright, give me another try. It does give you another. Okay, good. Let's try right there. The Smurf. Oh, maybe. Oh, I want to get a 2-in-1. I think my time is running out. I can't tell. This is pretty cool, though. Is there anything else? There's a Batman in the back. I don't think it's gettable. Yeah, let's see if I can get a 2-in-1. Clause 4.
Now, where's the women? She has to go. I know you.
2-in-1. Oh, got the Smurf. Nice. Alright, sweet. Got the Smurf. Does it give you another one? Alright, that's it. I still got another try. That's pretty cool. Perfect. Oh. Shoot, I keep on missing. I'm never gonna get to the top now. Oh, that was rigged. Not even sure what to say that. Did I win? No. It's pretty cool though. I did get a Smurf. And I'm gonna try this again. That was kind of fun. Alright. It's rigged. It has a pay. Okay. Oh, really? No matter what, you're gonna get one at the last one, so I can. Oh wow! This is usually where it rigs you, right here. That was dumb. That was dumb. I don't know if getting Smurf was the right choice. There's so many other things that could have gotten. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. What? What? How did it skip both of those? Oh, that sucks. Alright guys, let's see if we can win ourselves a little mini Pac-Man.
Greg, see your order's ready, Greg. Leinart, your order's ready, please.
This ball. Oh wow, I missed the ball. Let's go for that Pac-Man. Oh wait, so try one more dog. Come on, oh, so weak. Yeah, these mini Ghostbusters are just pretty cool.